Till now I have shown how to draw feasible region, but in this question we have to solve. The question is solve the following linear programming problem graphically. So question given max z equal to this subject to the constant x plus y less equal to 50, 3x plus y less equal to 90, x greater equal to 0, y greater equal to 0. So this x greater equal to 0 and y greater equal to 0 means the solution will be in the first quadrant. And max z will not do anything now. First this constant we have to take this one and this one. So here we have to write similar equation. See how he has written similar equation. Write properly. So here you have to give equation sign, here equal sign. Divide by 50 whole equation. Here divide by 90 whole equation. Right side 90 is there. So it will come 1, it will come 1. Here it is coming 50, here 50. So point will be 50, comma 0, 0, comma 50. Here you cut, then it will be 30, comma 0, 0, comma 90. So after doing this, bringing x by a plus y by b is equal to 1 form, write the point in this way, then testing part. Since 0, 0 point is not on the line, so you can test by 0, 0. That means x equal to 0, y equal to 0. Put here 0 plus 0 less equal to 50. From here it is coming. That means 0 less equal to 50, it is true. True means which direction? True means this direction we have to draw. This is 0, 0, so 0, 0 direction you have to draw a line, but I am not drawing now. Then next one you see, put 30, comma 0, 0, comma 90. So 10, 20, 30. 0, comma 90, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Join this. Now testing part. If you put 0, 3 into 0 plus 0 is equal to 90. That means here 3 into 0 plus 0 less equal to 90. That means 0 less equal to 90, it is also true. So our solution will be this direction. Now common direction, if you see these two together, then common will be this. So what is the feasible region? O, A, B, C, O is the feasible region. And one thing I told you, our solution will lie here in this corner only. Feasible regions corner. So O, A, B, C, O. These four are the feasible region corner. Feasible regions corner. Now this point is 0, 0. This point is 30, comma 0. This point is 0, comma 50. Already we have got. This B point we do not know. That is why we have to find this B point. Now this B point how to get? We have to solve this two lines equation. What are the two lines equation? X plus y is equal to 51 equation, and another equation will come from here. 3x plus y is equal to 90. Not in equation, is equal to 90. These two if you solve, we are getting x equal to 20 and put the value of x here, y equal to 30. So the point we are getting 20, comma 30. You have to show this solution also. Now 4 points we have got. Now we have to draw one table like this. What table? First you have to write points. This is points and then max z. This max z equation you have to write here. Points place we have to write these 4 points. First is 0, 0, then 30, comma 0, then 20, comma 30, then 0, comma 50. Write serially here. Then this is the value of x, this is the value of y. Put here x and y. So what is the max z value coming? 0. 60 into 0 plus 15 into 0, 0. Then value of x 30, value of y 0. Put here 30 into 60 and here 0. 15 into 0. So coming 1800. Then value of x 20, value of y 30. Here we put 20, 30. 20 means 1200 and 30 means 450. So you add 1650, it is coming. Again x equal to 0, y equal to 50 you put here. 0, 50. So 750 it is coming. Next part we have to see in the table. See here first 0, then 1800, then 1650, then 750. Since it is max z, we have to find which value is maximum among this solution. See 1800 is maximum. Since 1800 is maximum, so you make a circle. 1800 place you make a circle. For what value? For x equal to 30 we have got, and for x equal to 0, for x equal to 30 and sorry, for x equal to 30 and y equal to 0, we have got this maximum value. So our answer, x equal to 30 and y equal to 0, this is the solution. And what is the maximum value? 1800. This is our required answer. So this is how to solve linear programming problem. First few problem I have shown how to find feasible region. Why? Because our solution will be in the feasible regions corner only. Now in this sum I have shown how to solve linear programming problem. Since this is a maximizing problem, we are taking here maximum value. Similarly, if question they ask minimum value, mean z, then we have to take the minimum value here. Which value is minimum? The corresponding points will be the solution. But here this is the solution.